Where do you live, sir?
I live in Wiltshire.
Ah, okay.
A long way away.
Very long way away.
Just come up with London Eye.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I went on it twice, but I didn't see the big deal about it.
I've been on it 3 times now, and it's like, boring. Never mind.
Problem is that you are there.
So we're going to have to go on the bus now. One.
Maybe that one then. Sorry.
Oh, the bus that's going will be that one there. I would assume, yeah, sorry. This one is good.
In about 3 minutes we'll open that ramp.
Oh, okay.
This will take you to Westminster, right?
Westminster. You let me know when.
No.
I don't live in London.
We're gonna stop at Westminster Chapel.
Yeah, Parliament Square. It's not exactly outside the station. It's still Parliament Square.
It's not far from the station.
Right.
You get off before you go over the bridge and just go over the bridge and it's on the right. There's one or the other. You don't really stop dead on the front.
Right. Okay.
So it's up to you.
Oh.
If you get off before the bridge, you get to see Parliament Square and we'll go across the bridge.
You're doing a little bit of sightseeing.
Yeah?
Do a little bit of sightseeing.
So yeah, if you can get him off.
Yeah. All right.
Before the bridge, please, yeah?
Yeah, before the bridge.
Thank
Okay.
you.
That's what you should have on trains. Ready? Okay. Wow, that's good.
To Hammersmith.
What are these poles in the way? Should have reversed down and everything. Yep,
Is there any chance you can back up into here?
See,
Your back has
poles are in the way.
yeah, the poles get in the way.
Yeah,
do
they really do.
All right.
It's not like a wheelchair.
No, yeah, it's a little bit. You're restricted, aren't you? Alright, come on.
Yeah, sorry about that. So, there we go, we're on the bus now, going down to Westminster, going to go across the bridge and then into the underground.
Waterloo Station, York Road.
Can't get it on because they haven't got a ramp.
They can't go down to the train.
Yeah, on the Jubilee. So I got to go on the bus now.
Take longer, but it's
Well,
nicely to look
nice
at.
ramp. Very nice ramp.
Nice ramp here.
Very nice ramp here. Never mind.
Does it go uphill all right?
Bit slow. It's not very powerful.
County
Oh,
Hall.
isn't it?
No.
Looks nice and neat though.
Yeah, it's quite small. Quite small. I don't normally have any trouble. I don't know. It goes on trains. It goes on It goes on buses, something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
211 to Hammersmith. Services Hospital, County Hall.
I think I am, yes. I gotta wait for the ramp.
Oh, right.
Do you want to get off this one? Or
Yeah,
the next one?
I'll get off this one.
Get off this one.
Yeah. It's very clever.
Oh.
They do the ramp.
Oh, it's wonderful. It's worth getting one of these buses then.
Modern
Smart new
technology.
one.
If I knew where
Want to go first or shall I get
No,
out of
you
the way?
better go first. I'm not that good a driver.
Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you. And there we are, that's Big Ben. Got a fair old distance to go, that's the trouble. The river's half a mile away, I think. Something like that anyway. People texting or not working where they're going.